Okay guys, so we're gonna record the last itty bitty part of our tutorial. We have our tulips and we have our pipe already stretched out, and we are going to calculate, like, these are 36-inch longs, so we are going to calculate like 34 inches, something like that, just so you can see the tip around them. 33, I'm gonna right here. So I'm gonna drill 33 inches. I got the 3/16 is the one that fits. And make sure that when you drill, you kind of go sideways, you see, so it'll go through the top. And then we, on the exact part, we turn it around and just maybe an inch down, we drill the other side. So this is pretty simple. And then we are going to, like I already did this, but we're gonna fold this little part. This one I didn't have enough chance, so I'm gonna unglue here just a little bit so I can fold a little bit inside, and we're gonna glue it. Let me put this needle and make sure my glue comes out. And we are going to glue. Oh, let me try again. There we go. So I'm just gonna fold this a little bit. It just gives it a little bit of kind of like strength to the bottom. So I'm gonna put the top one first in. And this is where you need your pliers, so you make sure it goes in. It's not going in, so I'm gonna make the little hole a little bit wider. You're just going to go sideways and like that. And we're going to put our stem in. That should be enough. There we go. We're gonna push it all the way in, as tight as possible. And then we're going to kind of bend it to the top. And we're going to kind of wrap it here like this. And we are going to calculate. You have to see how far away it is from this top, right? So I kind of think it's really pretty like that. So I'm going to glue this side to the pipe. I'm gonna make it really tight right here. So you see how far away it is. And then we're gonna do the same thing. Make sure the base, especially right here, you can use your hot glue gun. It'll work too. Now we're gonna have to really straight. I'm looking at it like this. You have your leaf. Put more glue here. Probably the hot glue gun will work better here. And we're gonna close this up right here. See how pretty that looks sideways? So I'm gonna put more glue here. And you're going to want to do that. You see right there? Now you see it sideways. I don't know if you can see that. And now we're going to, I'm just going to put a little bit more glue, and I probably should use hot glue. We're going to hold it. Make sure you pass your hands and you stretch it out. little bit. And then we're going to go to the other side. So now we're going to insert the other one in the next hole to the other side. So we're going to insert it in there. And again, no, I'm going to push it in. I think it will hold. There we go. Now we're going to try to keep it as straight to the other line, like this one. You know, if you get your, see right here, look at it from the top. So you want it to be very, you know, equal, like this opening. Can you see this opening? See if you can see this opening to this opening. It's got to be kind of very equal. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to glue one side. So I have it there, lay down. It's in the position I want it. And now I'm going to glue this side. Oh. Right here. And I don't know why this keeps on closing. And there we go. Now that came out a little bit more. So we're going to do the same thing here. Make sure you have it like very much at the same level right here when you glue. Because then there's no ungluing. So I got that part. And now I'm going to put more glue here, here. And this will wrap around right there. Right there. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? And there you go, guys. Now we're just going to put our flower in. And that's going to be the really exciting part when you see it all finished. Well, we are continuing at the end. Look at how pretty is this. How pretty is that? I mean, seriously. You just made an amazing tulip. Congratulations on your tulips. Just wanted you to give you the little kinds up. So this is a bundle. There's 6, 5, 4, and 3 foot tall tulips. And just a little extra. So when you insert this, you know, you may want to cut it, or you have to push inside and go like twisting, because this is 16 millimeter and this is 15 millimeter. So you're talking about this has to be perfectly straight for it to go in. And if it's like too hard, you just cut the, you see there it's going. You push it slowly while you twist. You can also do it slowly with the needle nose pliers and just twist it in. Because it does get kind of hard, this part, but you don't want it falling off. So it's the cons and the pros. So anyway, congratulations on your giant tulips. I can't wait. Please share your pictures and let us know how hard or easy it was. And congratulations, everybody. These are, just wanted to make also a shout out for a customer of ours that these are going to Lucky Lad Farms. And I recommend Tennessee. I recommend everybody go see, because they've got the real ones, like the beautiful real tulips. So go check out their farm, and congratulations on your build, everybody.